tell me say how and jerk pan bro. You understand me? I say, so when you go avec split and particle limitless. You understand me? I say, no, avec bar. You understand me? I say, break down, send this baby Sunday August man, have jerk pan. Jerk me have this pan a cow, pork, ham, chicken, and the biggest jerk pan I've seen in my life. Yeah, jerky, 7,000 a night. 7,000 a night, man. Yeah, 7,000 a night.
Oh man. Where with me jerk pan? Where with me jerk pan?
No, boss, you know say one family rule we a keep. Me pass and see a jerk pan and say me like it, so me contact two picture. Come on, one of them jerk pan if you buy it. If you buy it, guys. Sorry, boss, please, no boss, no boss.
So how is my jerk pan original?
No boss, no boss. Big man boss. Big man boss.
Hey, one thing more than them fi understood. Them girl good, girl good.